na. Hello mga ka-chef! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time, gagawa tayo ng special butter cake ala Daisy's Home. Madali lang po itong gawin at kayang-kaya niyong sundan. Ang kailangan nating mga ingredients, 3 and 1/2 cups ng all-purpose flour, 2 cups ng fine white sugar, 2 teaspoon ng baking soda, 2 teaspoon ng baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of iodize salt, 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Kailangan din natin ng lemon zest, galing po siya sa isang buo ng lemon. 5 large eggs, 1 cup or 1 bar ng unsalted butter, and 2 all-purpose cream. Gamit ko po ay Nestle cream, baka naman Nestle cream. Ang kailangan po natin gawin ay shake muna natin ang ating Nestle cream. Pwede din po kayong gumamit ng heavy cream sa recipe ko na ito. So ako this time, ginagamit ko po ay Nestle cream. And then, ilalagay lang po natin yung ating 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. And, imimix lang po natin siya mabuti. Then, set aside. And this time, ang gagawin po natin ay isisip po natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. So, from all-purpose flour, lalagay po natin yung ating baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then, isisip lang po natin to ng 3 times. 3 to 4 times. Ang reason kung bakit natin sinisip to, para maging airy. And at the same time, hindi maging matigas yung ating cake. So, dahan-dahan lang. Sisip lang po natin siya. Yan. Sip again. So, hanggang 4 times pwede nyo siyang isip or 5 times, nasa sa inyo na yan. Basta importante, maging pino siya at magaan. Walang buo-buo. So, wag nyong masyadong madaliin ng pag-sip kasi sasambulat lahat yung flour nyo sa working table nyo. So, dahan-dahan lang. So, ako 4 times ko siyang sinisip para nang nun, mas maging maganda yung texture ng ating cake. Four times ko siyang sinisip. Ngayon. So, dahan-dahan lang para hindi tumatapon yung ating flour sa ating table. And then, pag nasip na natin yung mga dry ingredients, set aside. This time, ang gagawin ko, ay ibibit na natin or pagkahalu-haluin na natin yung ating butter cake. Butter cake mixture. So, yung butter, ilalagay lang po natin dito. Room temperature po ha. Make sure na room temperature yung butter nyo. Pero hindi naman siya melted. Room temperature lang. So, ibibit lang po natin siya ng konti. Mga 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes. Kailangan maging light and fluffy yung ating butter. Then after that, ilalagay po natin yung ating white sugar. And beat for high speed. Again. Mga 2 minutes po ulit yung pag-beat natin dito. So, kailangan maging light and fluffy yung ating sugar and butter mixture. Then, after that, scrape po natin yung ating mixture from side until bottom part para mas maging pantay or pantay ang maging texture ng ating butter and sugar mixture. Creaming method po ang tawag sa ginagawa ko na to. High speed. After natin mabit ito, lalagay po natin yung ating mga eggs. One at a time lang ang paglagay. Kailangan, pag nilagay nyo po siya, isa lang, and then after nun, kailangan ma-mix bago nyo ilagay yung second. And then, pag nalagay na po natin yung egg, lalagay na po natin yung ating lemon zest. And yung ating vanilla. And then, pagka na-mix na po siyang mabuti, i-low speed nyo lang muna. Yan. Paggamit nyo yung KitchenAid, 2 lang. Then, lagay po natin yung ating dry ingredients. 3 parts po ang paglalagay ko ng dry ingredients. Alternate mo natin siyang ilalagay, yung dry ingredients and yung ating all-purpose flour. Yan. And then, all-purpose cream. Yung half lang muna. Half. And then, all-purpose flour or dry ingredients. And then, yung ating cream. And then, last po natin yung dry ingredients. Kasi hindi natin kailangan maglagay agad ng dry ingredients sa ating mixture or patagalin ang pagmix na to. Kasi, ang tendency is mag-a-activate ang gluten ng ating flour, so magiging matigas yung ating mixture. So, kailangan dry ingredients yung huli nating ilagay para nang nun mas maging malambot yung ating butter cake. So, high speed. Mga 2 minutes lang. But, scrape nyo lang yung side and bottom part. Again, para nang nun halong-halo hanggang ilalim. Maging pantay yung ating mixture. So, beat ulit, konti na lang, and okay na to. So, this time, kailangan i-preheat natin yung oven natin sa 350 degree Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So, okay na po yung ating mixture. Ito po yung itsura niya. So, this is the texture of my butter mixture. Yan. This time, ang paglalagyan ko ng aking cake or pagbe-bakean ko ng aking cake is 14 by 12 inches square or rectangular pan. Ano? Tama ba? And then, i-grease lang po natin siya ng buo. Lalagyan ng parchment paper. And then, yung top ng ating parchment paper, nilagyan ko rin siya ng grease. And then, shake lang konti. Pagka-shake, tap po natin siya. 1, 2, 3. And it's ready to bake! Bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. So, waiting! And here's the finished product of our special butter cake by Iodize Home. And now, ikakat na natin siya para malaman natin kung ano ang texture at lasa. Titikman natin siya. Let's cut it! Cut na natin yung ating butter cake. Lambot! Sarap! Look at the texture! And now, titikman natin siya kung masarap na masarap. Look at this! Sobrang sarap! Masarap. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates of my video. And if you have any requests or suggestion, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Babush! And if you have any requests or comments, if you have any and if you have nakakainis! Ayun, if you have any suggestion or comment, ulit na, ayoko na. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. And if you have nakakaloka ya. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Ang hirap-hirap i-ano na yan. And thank you for watching. What happened to the Philippines? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates of my video. And if you have any requests or comment, if you have any suggestion or comment, ayoko.